let me tell you, you have done reasonably well in your interview. You know,
Yes.
I will SSB style. So I have interviewed you for about an hour.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'm going to grade you the way you will be graded in the SSB. Each officer like quality will be given a grading. I give four gradings. The first grading is pass. The second grading is average. Average means you are just pass, but a lot of scope for improvement.
Yes, sir.
And the third grade is borderline, in which means you are actually fail but close to border. And of course, the fourth grading is absolutely fail. Okay, so in
Yes, sir.
SSB we call it them, various ticks we call them, like tick 6, tick 7, tick 8, and tick 9. Okay,
Yes, sir.
you will be passed if I say ki you are generally around tick 6. So I will give you these four grading: pass, average, borderline, and absolutely fail. Okay.
Make sure that you don't miss any of our free classes and exclusive new videos on SSB Show Short Plus. Subscribe now and hit the notification bell. Follow us on Instagram for more informative and motivational content, offers, and updates related to the armed forces. Visit our website for numerous online courses and study material. Call us on 6364052525 to inquire and register. Now let's get back to the video.
Okay.
Yes,
Note
sir.
down. Now, factor one, effective intelligence, you have
Yes, sir.
passed. Reasoning ability, you are average. Organizing ability, the way you organize your thoughts, you are still average. Power of expression, Suraj, you are average. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Factor two. Factor two is now the first thing, your social adaptability, Suraj, you are passing that. In cooperation also you are pass. In sense of responsibility you are very good, you are pass. Factor
Yes, sir.
three. Factor three, you got to work little more. Okay. Firstly, initiative, you are average. Confidence, you have to improve your confidence. Again, you are average. Speed of decision is you, though you have you are you tend to speak so fast, and tend to try to take decisions so fast, but your decision making capability or speed of decision still needs improvement. You are average. Your ability to influence the group, Suraj, this is where you got to improve your borderline. Okay. The fifth quality is your liveliness. You are pass in that. You are absolutely a very lively kind of person. Now,
Yes, sir.
factor four. Factor four, the first is determination. You are pass. The second is courage. Suraj, I am passing you in that. Even in your stamina, I am passing you. Suraj, now out of 225,
Yes, sir.
I will, just because of your ability to influence the group, since it is not up to the mark, I'm just putting you at 91 marks. You are passed in spite of doing so well in the interview. You have done reasonably well in the interview. Let me tell you
Thank you,
this.
sir.
Okay? And see now what are the reasons why I have given you 91. Listen to it now. Firstly, you are a little nervous. You are little more nervous than required. Though everybody is nervous, but Suraj, you are a little more nervous. Why are you nervous so much? I have told you in the beginning also, please relax and don't be nervous. You are not able to control your nervousness. This is the first thing you should note it down. Okay. Why are you rushing to answer? Why are you in a hurry, Suraj? What are you in a hurry for? If you you are fast. Okay, if you control, if you become little more calm, if you can become cool, if you can become collected, you will 100% pass. You are excited. Why are you so excited? Tell me. You are
So,
not able, you are not
so,
able to control your excitement.
so,
Why?
what happened was, uh, I was thinking a lot about your interview. So I was started reading about Dogra regime. So I was like, I'll impress her, which was later I found as you don't need to impress her, you just need to be yourself. So I got little anxious while telling you things. I'm just throwing you things which you don't. Yeah, matlab, sometimes I'm a bit fast and you're not understanding those things. So that was a point. And moreover, sir, the connection is quite weak here. So I got little nervous. If light goes, basically I will not able to make up my interview. So that made me little nervous.
So see this, I could see throughout, you know, a lot of people are underprepared for the interview. I keep telling them you are not very well prepared. Here is a boy, very rarely, which I find is over prepared. You are over prepared. Problem with you is you are over excited, you are over prepared for this. See, your general awareness is so good, your general knowledge is so good, your knowledge about the army is good, but because of your excitement, you are giving sometimes wrong answers.
Yes.
Okay? And you got to improve your power of expression. The reason being, in your excitement, you tend to give long answers.
Okay.
But you got to be brief and you got to be to the point when you answer. And you better be more confident. Your confidence level is slightly gets shaken up. So you
Yes.
got to, because of that, you are not able to control your excitement also. Okay. Now see this, you got to, if you become confident, you have enough knowledge.
Yes. Sir.
And if you become a little cool and little calm, and I can assure you, you'll be able to do far better. Okay? You better listen to the questions properly. Sometimes you leave out. I told you.
Yes. Sir.
I like your smile. You are a very lively guy.
Yes.
Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Good. I'm very happy. And you good another good point in you are very energetic, very motivated, which is another good thing. And also you are very simple, sincere, and a very good human being. That's why your factor two is also so good.
Yes.
You're a wonderful boy and very honest, very straightforward. And knowledge, I passed you in the knowledge, both in the army knowledge is also reasonably good, which you can work little more, and your general awareness is pretty good. Okay?
Yes, sir.
But control your nerves, I have again written it. Have a
Yes.
control on your nerves.
Yes.
Can you this time, if you go, if you are able to have little bit control on yourself and become little bold and little more confident, you will pass this time.
Yes.
I can assure you. You are a possible guy. Your determination is good, and your जोश is oh my god, little too much. इतना जोश जो है ना, थोड़ा सा कंट्रोल करो इतने जोश को. Okay? So you in any case is going to be a very successful person in your life. You'll be a successful boy. I can tell you this.
Thank
Okay,
you.
whichever, firstly you'll be successful in the army. Otherwise, people like you can never fail in your life. I can guarantee. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, that is what is all you, but certain things are strict no for you. Note down this in block capital letters. Firstly, don't say that about yourself that you are an average student. Don't say that. You are. Why do you say you are such a bright student? 81%. Why do you say you are an average student? And second thing, you have too many regrets. Don't have too many regrets in life. Just one regret is more than sufficient, because one should not have too many regrets in life. It means you only live in the past, you don't think of the future. And let me tell you, successful people always live in the future. Or not, they work in the present and think of the future.
Yes.
I should have passed NTA, I should have done this, I should have. Why so many regrets you are carrying? Not required. Control your nervousness. Again, block capitals. You should and don't give out so many places. I never asked you. You had a drop in your performance. You have a drop. You dropped 1 year. Till the time the doing officer asks you these things, you should not give out your own such negative qualities,
Yes, sir.
negative performance. Yes, when I ask you your strength and weaknesses, fine, you can. So keep these things in mind, Suraj, and you are a passable candidate.
Sir, can I
Okay?
ask you a question, sir? Hello. Sir, can I ask few questions, sir?
Go ahead and we'll answer all your questions. Go ahead.
Sir, in my interview, sir, as I'm at times I'm a bit verbose. I believe in that. I speak a lot about the army. So sometimes in my previous SSB, sir, I was giving to the interview to an air commodore who was the board president of Dehradun SSB, and he at times got a bit agitated for me that I am bolstering my knowledge a lot. So he started asking very tough questions that who landed KS Thimaiya in Ladakh airfield? What is punching? So I didn't recognize. So what should I do to control my this over preparedness and over enthusiasm for the armed forces?
हाँ देखो ना सूरज you have to only have control on your nerves. I told you have a control on your nerves. Be confident. I said be cool. You say you believe in God. A believer in God do some more meditation. Meditation will calm you down. So you need your knowledge is very good. Everything is good. No problem. But you've got to be little cool to yourself.
Okay.
And you can do it. Why not? It's not that difficult as you are thinking. Okay? And it is can be done by doing meditation. It is by can be done by doing self introspection. Don't get so much excited. And otherwise, guys like you have worked very hard. Suraj, you are very good, and don't underestimate yourself. Don't underestimate yourself. See this, your family is doing so well. Your father is working, bhaiya. He's a Fauji retired. So he's earning. So there is no problem. You guys are there 2 years is a long time. Things will change in 2 years. Okay? Don't think. You are yourself can take some tuitions. What is wrong in that?
Sir,
To help
I
your
used
father.
to take, but due to the CDS attempt, I was not able to clear my CDS in my second attempt. So I thought of dropping the tuition, and I took a room with my friends, and I prepared with them, and I'm able to clear the CDS this time, both for IMA and OTA. So that time I have to drop the tuitions and all.
No problem. Suraj, just be my this interview will help you a lot. Whatever
Thank
I
you, sir.
have told you, listen to this recording 2 3 times. Okay? And don't worry anything negative because whenever you record, it will get recorded. But some part of this can be put in a Instagram by our people. I hope you have no objection, but no negative.
No,
Nothing
no issues.
negative about the family, etc., will not come, if at all. It is not in my hand, it is my people will see, but nothing negative about your family, nothing will come out, ever. Nothing. Okay?
No
It will be
problem, sir.
only
You can upload the video.
it will be only some good part we might put. We might put. I'm not sure whether they will put it or not, but I might. Okay. So God bless you. You are going to pass, Suraj. This is my this thing. If you can keep these points in mind, you are a possible candidate. You will give me a good news. Have this faith. Have little more faith in God. God bless you. All the best, Suraj.
Thank you, sir.
Take care and God bless. You will pass. You will be a successful man in your life. मेरा आशीर्वाद है तुमको.
Thank you, sir.
God bless. God bless.